Global Handwashing Day, Wikipedia Audio. Global Handwashing Day is a campaign to motivate and mobilize people around the world to improve their hand-washing habits. Washing hands at critical points during the day and washing with soap are both important. Global Handwashing Day occurs on October 15 of each year. The global campaign is dedicated to raising awareness of hand washing with soap as a key factor in disease prevention. Respiratory and intestinal diseases can be reduced by 25 to 50%. The Global Hand Washing Partnership established Global Hand Washing Day in 2008 as a way to promote a global and local vision of hand washing with soap. Implementation and management. Steering committee members of the GHP include Colgate-Palmolive, FHI 360, the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, Procter & Gamble, UNICEF, Unilever, University at Buffalo, USAID, the Water and Sanitation Program at the World Bank, and the Water Supply and Sanitation Collaborative Council. Continued research on hand-washing habits and practices is commissioned in conjunction with GHD. In 2011, Svenska Cellulosa Aktiebolaget sponsored a study to assess the hand-washing habits of American and Canadian adults, finding that many were not using soap when washing their hands. Foster and support a general culture of hand-washing with soap in all societies. Shine a spotlight on the state of hand-washing in each country, raise awareness about the benefits of hand-washing with soap. The aims of Global Hand-Washing Day are to: each year, over 200 million people celebrate Global Hand-Washing Day. Global Hand-Washing Day was initiated by the Global Hand-Washing Partnership in August 2008 at the annual World Water Week in Stockholm, Sweden. This means that the first Global Hand-Washing Day took place on October 15, 2008. The date was appointed by the UN General Assembly. The year 2008 was also the International Year of Sanitation. The founding bodies in 2008 included FHI 360, U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Procter & Gamble, UNICEF, Unilever, World Bank Water and Sanitation Program and the United States Agency for International Development. The campaign was initiated to reduce childhood mortality rates and related respiratory and diarrheal diseases by introducing simple behavioral changes, such as hand washing with soap. This simple action can reduce the mortality rate of respiratory disease by 25%. Death from diarrheal diseases can be reduced by 50%. Hand washing with soap is very effective and the least expensive way to prevent diarrhea and acute respiratory infections. Pneumonia, a major RE, is the #1 cause of mortality among children under 5 years old, killing an estimated 1.8 million children per year. Diarrhea and pneumonia together account for almost 3.5 million child deaths annually. Hand washing with soap is estimated to reduce cases of diarrhea by 30% and respiratory infections by 21% in children under the age of 5. It is important to make hand washing into a habit. Good hand washing with soap before eating and after using the toilet into an regular habit can save more lives than any single vaccine or medical intervention, cutting deaths from diarrhea by almost half and deaths from acute respiratory infections by 1/4. Hand washing is usually done together with other sanitation interventions as part of water, sanitation, and hygiene wash programs. Aims. The Global Hand Washing Day helps raise awareness of the importance of washing with soap, but it also makes it fun for children to get involved. Proper hygiene requires that individuals know the importance of good hygiene and develop the habits to carry it out. There are people with plenty of money, but nonetheless, they lack the important habits of timely hand washing with soap, and thereby unknowingly endanger themselves and others around them. Peer influence is significant to seeing increased hand washing among students. In a study conducted in Kenya, researchers found that students were much more likely to wash their hands when another student is present. Peer influence is only successful, however, when students know that hand washing is a desirable action. Activities. Examples: history, themes, background. Importance of hand washing.